Hey guys, Aaron's411 here. Just gonna show you some of my different automatic knives. This is a automatic from Italy, Milano. That's the safety right there. Then you pretty cool knife. This one I really like. This one, a little pen knife. This one actually did not work when I got it. I had it fixed by this guy at the flea market. It's in pretty good shape though for what it was. It didn't even work at all. Now it works again. This one's a little super automatic. It's pretty cool. Traded a lighter for this one. I like that one. This one's a Benchmade. See the safety right there. Lanyard my wife made me. This one's used. I got it at a garage sale actually for I think like 15 bucks. So, but it's real slow. It's pretty beat up already. See, it's pretty well beat. I didn't do that. It was already like that. See, it's got a pretty slow deployment in my opinion on it. You'll see here in a minute. I got a pretty quick little. Got this one. It's a little Piranha. It's pretty quick, right? It's got a little jump to it. See, it's pretty quick. I actually got this one at an auction. All these other knives. Don't think anybody knew because it has a little advertisement from some company on here, so nobody knew it was a pretty good little. Piranha's a pretty good little knife. I mean, they're not expensive, you know. US made. It's a good little knife. This is a real cheap, just, you know, Chinese. Basic, cheap Chinese. You know. Little letter opener. Real light. This is, you know, real cheap Chinese. Real cheap. This is even cheaper. It's just kind of a little cool little claw, you know. I don't know what you do with that thing. I guess I don't know. It's just kind of cool looking. I don't know what the hell you call that. That's it.